Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kirat Jamtani and today's topic is trigonometric function part 8. See, in part 1 we studied introduction and measurement of angles. Part 2 we studied trigonometric functions. In part 3 we studied graph of trigonometric function. Then in part 4 we studied trigonometric ratio of compound angles. In part 5 we studied transformation formulas. Trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angle was studied in part 6. In part 7 sine and cosine formulas, and now in this part 8 we are going to study about trigonometric equation. Now coming on to what is trigonometric equation? The equation that contains trigonometric function of unknown angles, we call it as trigonometric equation. Like I am having cos theta equal 1 by 2, this is trigonometric equation. Sin theta equals 0, this is trigonometric equations. So now we have to find the solution of these trigonometric equations. So for finding solution of trigonometric equation, we have the general solution. Let's suppose I am provided with sin theta equals 0. So the general solution of sin theta equals 0 is given by theta is equals to n pi, where n belongs to z. So these are certain things which we have to learn. Second, we have, let's suppose tan theta equals 0. So over here the general solution is given by theta equals n pi, where n belongs to z. Third formula which we have is cos theta if cos theta is 0. So in this case theta is equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Similarly, if cot theta equals 0, so its general solution is given by 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Now as we know, the sec theta is greater than equals to 0 or sec theta is less than or equals to minus 1. Therefore sec theta equals 0 does not have any solution. Similarly, cosec theta equals 0 also has no solution. So now coming on to the question, like we have 3 questions over here. Here we are provided with sin 2 theta equals 0. So as we know, when theta is equals to sin theta is equals to 0, the general solution is given by theta equals n pi. So here the general solution is given by 2 theta equals n pi. Thus the value of theta will be n pi by 2. Because we know sin theta equals sin 0, so general solution for this is given by theta equal n pi. Similarly, next we have that is tan 3 theta by 4. So we know tan theta if it is 0, so theta is given by n pi. So when tan 3 theta by 4 is 0, so in this case theta is equals to over here, because we know 3 theta by 4 is equals to n pi. So therefore theta will be given by 4 n pi by 3, where n belongs to z. Similarly over here cos 3 theta is 0. So we know cos theta is 0. So theta is given by 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. If cos 3 theta is 0, so here 3 theta is given by 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So value of theta will be 2n plus 1 into pi by 6. So this is how we have to find the general solution of equation. Coming on to next concept. The next concept says, like let's suppose we are provided with a equation sin theta equals sin alpha. So over here when sin theta is equals to sin alpha, So in this case, the value of theta is given by n pi plus minus 1 की power n into alpha. Similarly, if it is cos theta equals cos alpha, so here the value of theta, the general solution is given by 2n pi plus minus alpha. The third formula which we have, tan theta if it is equals to tan alpha, so here the general solution is given by n pi plus alpha. Now since sin theta is reciprocal, cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, so this is equivalent to this formula only. That means this formula is also applicable for cosec theta equal cosec alpha. Similarly, sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, so this formula is also applicable for sec theta equals cosec alpha. Same is the case over here. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan, therefore this general solution if we have to find, so it is given by this only. Coming on to now question part, over here we have provided with sin theta equals root 3 by 2. So now we know sin theta is equals to root 3 by 2. It is the value of sin 60. So sin 60 is written as sin pi by 3. Now as we know, the general solution of sin is expressed by theta equal n pi minus 1 की power n into alpha. So this, now we will compare over here sin theta equals sin alpha. So over here the value of alpha is pi by 3. So value of theta will come out to be n pi plus minus 1 की power n into pi by 3, where n belongs to z. So this is the general solution of equation when it is equal to sin theta equals sin alpha. So coming on to next part, the next we have root 3 sec 2 theta is 2. So here sec 2 theta can be written as 2 by root 3. So cos 2 theta will be written as root 3 by 2, and as we know root 3 by 2 is the value of cos 30. So it will be written as cos pi by 6. Now since as we know here cos 2 theta is cos pi by 6. So when cos theta is equals to cos alpha, it is written as theta equal 2n pi plus minus alpha. So here 2 theta will be 2n pi plus minus alpha, which is pi by 6. So value of theta will come to be n pi plus minus pi by 12. So this is how we have to find the general solution of the following equations. Now coming on to the next question. So the next question is, we are provided with cos theta plus cos 3 theta minus 2 cos 2 theta is 0. So here we can apply the identity, that is cos x plus cos y. So it will come to be 2 cos x plus y by 2, 3 theta plus theta by 2, which will be 2 cos 2 theta. Then we will get x minus y by 2, so it will be cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta equals 0. Now we will take 2 cos 2 theta to be common. So here we will get cos theta minus 1 equals 0. So thus over here we will get cos 2 theta is 0, or we will get cos theta minus 1 0, which is cos theta equals 1. Now as we know, when it is equals to 0, so this 0 indicates the value of 2 theta is equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Thus the value of theta will be 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Now when cos theta minus 1 is equals to 0, so cos theta is 1. As we know, in cos 0 we get 1. So this is cos 0. So here the value of theta will come to be 2n, as we know it is 2n pi plus minus alpha. So it is 2n pi plus minus 0. Hence, as we summarize over here, we have two values, that is theta is equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4, this value, or theta is equals to 2n pi, where n belongs to z. So this is how we can find out the solution of the equation also. Now coming on to the next concept, the general solution of trigonometric equations of the form, like now let's suppose we are provided with equation sine square theta equals sine square alpha. So when it is given in terms of a square, the value of theta comes out to be n pi plus minus alpha, where n belongs to z. Similarly, if cos square theta is cos square alpha, so value of theta is given out to be n pi plus minus alpha, where n belongs to z. And the third formula, tan square theta is equals to tan square alpha. Here also the value of theta is given, written by theta is equals to n pi plus minus alpha, where n belongs to z. This is the condition when it is given in the question all trigonometric functions in the form of square. Now coming on to question, like we have 7 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta equals 4. So what we'll do over here, we'll convert this into sine. So cos square theta will be written as 1 minus sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta equals 4. So when we'll solve it, 7 we'll get over here minus 7 sin square theta plus 4. So we'll get minus 4 sin square theta equals minus 3. This and this got cancelled out. So sin square theta can be written as 3 by 4. So now we'll find out the value of the sin square theta is it can be written as 3 by 4. So it can be written as root 3 by 2 square. So now it is the square of, we can write over here sin square theta can be written as sin square pi by 3, because sin 60, root 3 by 2 is the value of sin 60. So now it is in the form of sin square theta is equals to sin square pi by 3. So here theta is given by n pi plus minus pi by 3. So this is how we can find out the general equation or general solution of any equation. Coming on to now the next concept. The next concept is trigonometric equations of the form, like I am provided with the trigonometric equation a cos theta plus b sin theta equals c. If trigonometric equation is of this form, so in this form what we have to do is we have to obtain we have equation of this form. So in place of a, we'll put r cos alpha, in place of b we'll put r sin alpha, and thus we can also find where over here if we have to find the value of r, so r is equals to the coefficient of cos theta, that is square, that is a square plus b square. And yes, if we have to find angle, so that is given by tan alpha is equals to b by a. Thus we can say angle is equals to alpha is equals to tan inverse of b by a. Using this concept, now we will be solving the question. Now let's suppose we are provided over here with the question root 3 cos theta plus sin theta equals root 2. So comparing this equation with a cos theta plus b sin theta equals root 2. So first of all we'll find out the value of r. Over here a is given to us root 3, b is 1 and c is root 2. So value of r will be square root of a square plus b square, which will come out to be 2, and value of tan alpha is b by a, which is 1 by root 3. Thus 1 by root 3 is the value of 1 by root 3 is tan 30. So we'll write over here pi by 6. So alpha is equals to pi by 6. So this is how we got the value of alpha. Now as I explained, in place of a, we'll write r cos alpha. So a is equals to, r is 2, cos alpha is cos pi by 6. B will be written as r sin alpha. So r is again 2, sin alpha, that is sin pi by 6. Now we'll substitute these values over here. So value will be getting, the value is a will be written as r cos alpha. So r cos alpha into cos theta plus r sin alpha into sin theta, which is root 2. So here if we take r common, this is the formula for cos a minus b. It will be written as theta minus alpha. The value of alpha is pi by 6. So this is equals to root 2. Now as we know the value of r is 2. So cos theta minus pi by 6 will be written as 1 by root 2. Because this 2 will go over here in denominator, root 2 by 2 will become 1 by 2. Now this 1 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 4. Now as we know, when cos x is equals to cos theta is equals to cos alpha. So that is written as theta minus pi by 6 will be written as 2n pi plus minus pi by 2. Over here it is pi by 4. So we'll write it pi by 4. Thus the value of theta will come out to be 2n pi plus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. In other case, we can also take it as 2n pi minus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Thus, the answer will come out to be 2n pi plus, if we'll solve it over here, so we'll be getting 5 pi by 12, or here we'll get 2n pi minus pi by 12. So this is how we have to solve the equation when it is of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta equals c. So this was all about the trigonometric functions, in which we covered each and every topic. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.